Hey guys, it's Anthony's Tech Tips here. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to install Minecraft Forge 1.15.2. So what you want to do is hit installer, and you will get the screen. Do not click anything over here. It's most likely going to be a virus. So what you want to do is hit skip once the timer counts down, and you would just want to wait, and you can download it. This is called Free Download Manager. You can get this if you want. It makes it so you can download stuff offline without your web browser open. So once you're here, you want to open the folder, double click this, and install client. Make sure this is where your Minecraft is located and hit OK. Now wait for it to download, and you should be all set. As you guys can see, the download is all not done and it's successfully installed. If you have any problems, comment down below and I will get right back to you and try to fix it. Make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below what tutorials I should do next. See ya.